Welcome to Chicago, a city forged in ambition and built on a relentless spirit. And today, your Windy City adventure starts right now. Forget those dense guidebooks. In the next few minutes, we're unlocking the secrets you absolutely need to know. Ready to immerse yourself in architectural grandeur, legendary eats, and that unforgettable Midwestern charm? Let's go! Welcome back to Minutes in a City, your ultimate passport to adventure. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to plan your epic Chicago trip. We're all about delivering those must-see sights, the mouth-watering local eats, and all those handy travel hacks. You won't want to miss a beat. All right, let's officially kick things off with Chicago's undisputed giants, the skyscrapers. First up, naturally, we have to talk about the Willis Tower, home to Skydeck Chicago. This isn't just one of the tallest buildings in the Western Hemisphere. It's a testament to human ingenuity and provides an absolutely unparalleled perspective of the city. From the 103rd floor, you'll witness panoramic views stretching across 4 states on a clear day. And for the truly brave, step out onto the ledge, those glass boxes that extend out from the building. It's a heart-pounding, unforgettable moment that makes you feel like you're floating above the city. Next, prepare to be charmed by Chicago's urban oasis, Millennium Park. This isn't just any city park. It's a vibrant public art gallery, a community gathering space, and home to some truly iconic Chicago landmarks. You absolutely have to see Cloud Gate, affectionately known as the Bean. Its reflective surface mirrors the skyline in the park, creating endless photo opportunities. Then there's the interactive Crown Fountain, where giant LED faces spit water, especially fun in the summer. It's a place where art, architecture, and daily life beautifully intertwine. For a truly immersive experience, you've absolutely got to take an architectural boat tour on the Chicago River. This isn't just a boat ride, it's a floating masterclass in modern architecture. Chicago boasts some of the world's most innovative and influential buildings, and seeing them from the water with expert commentary is truly the best way to appreciate their scale and design. You'll glide past Art Deco giants, modernist marvels, and innovative contemporary structures, learning the stories behind each one. Afterward, stroll along the Chicago Riverwalk, a beautifully revitalized promenade lined with cafes, public art, and fantastic views. For classic family fun and stunning lakefront views, step onto Navy Pier. This isn't just a pier, it's a bustling entertainment hub. Take a ride on the iconic Centennial Wheel for incredible 360-degree vistas of the city's skyline and vast Lake Michigan. You'll find restaurants, shops, gardens, and even a children's museum here. Especially in the summer, Navy Pier comes alive with events and fireworks displays, making it a perfect spot to spend an afternoon and evening. Okay, now that we've covered Chicago's incredible cityscapes, let's talk about expanding your adventure just a short drive away. First up, for a truly unique and serene experience, head north to Wilmette to visit the Baha'i House of Worship. This isn't just a place of worship. It's an architectural marvel, a stunning temple open to all, regardless of faith. Its intricate lace-like dome and 9 sides represent unity and diversity, and the surrounding gardens are incredibly peaceful. It's a place of quiet reflection and breathtaking beauty, offering a stark contrast to the bustling city. For a taste of American history and nostalgia, hit the road for a segment of historic Route 66, which officially begins right here in Chicago. This isn't just a highway, it's the Mother Road, a legendary route that connected the heartland to the West Coast. While you won't drive the entire route, you can follow its early stretches, passing through charming small towns, quirky roadside attractions, and classic diners. It's a fantastic way to experience a piece of Americana and imagine the journeys of generations past. So, you've seen all the incredible sights. Now the big question, how do you actually get around this wonderfully sprawling yet surprisingly manageable city? Good news! Chicago has a fantastic public transportation system, so you definitely don't need to rent a car and brave that downtown traffic, though that's an option too. The L train, short for elevated, is absolutely your best bet for covering distances quickly. This iconic train system, with its distinct colors for each line, will whisk you between neighborhoods, often offering unique elevated views of the city. It's fast, efficient, and deeply ingrained in Chicago's identity. Pick up a Ventra card. It's your key to tapping and riding the L in buses with ease. We also have a comprehensive network of modern taxis and ride-sharing services that are readily available. They're comfortable and convenient, especially for shorter trips or late nights. but be aware that distances can add up, so fares might too. For a more active way to explore, especially along the lakefront or through parks, consider Divvy Bikes, Chicago's bike-sharing program. It's a fun and healthy way to see the city at your own pace. All right, foodies, listen up! Because Chicago's culinary scene is legendary, and you absolutely cannot leave without trying these iconic local specialties. First up, the undisputed champion, Chicago Deep Dish Pizza. This isn't just pizza, it's a hearty, cheesy, saucy masterpiece baked in a deep pan. Every Chicagoan has their favorite, but whether you go for Lou Malnati's, Giordano's, or Pequod's, prepare for a delicious, filling experience. It's a fork and knife affair for sure. Next, the quintessential Chicago-style hot dog. Forget the ketchup, that's a cardinal sin here. This is an all-beef frank on a poppy seed bun dragged through the garden with yellow mustard, chopped white onions, bright green sweet pickle relish, a dill pickle spear, tomato slices or wedges, pickled sport peppers, and a dash of celery salt. It's a flavor explosion. Now let's be honest for a moment. Every incredible city, no matter how dazzling, has its quirks, and Chicago is absolutely no exception. The first thing you'll likely encounter? The weather. Chicago is famous for its Windy City nickname, but it's not just about the wind. Winters can be brutally cold with heavy snow, and summers can be hot and humid. Check the forecast and pack layers. But the shoulder seasons, spring and fall, are absolutely glorious. While Chicago is generally a very safe city for tourists, like any major urban area, it has its challenges. Be aware of your surroundings, especially at night or in less populated areas. Stick to well-trafficked tourist zones and always be mindful of your belongings. Common sense goes a long way here. Also, be prepared for city prices. While not as steep as some global metropolises, dining, attractions, and accommodations can add up. Doing a little research and budgeting beforehand will help you make the most of your trip. We really studied Chicago to make your next trip as awesome as it can be. If you're loving what you're seeing, now's the perfect time to subscribe to Minutes in a City so you don't miss any of our city guides and top bucket list destinations around our wonderful globe. And because you stayed till the end, here are some bonus tips and fun facts for you. Tip 1. Book your tickets for major attractions like Skydeck and architecture tours online and in advance. This saves you time waiting in lines and often gets you better prices. Tip 2. Get a Ventra card for easy and discounted public transportation. You can load it with a multi-day pass for convenience. Tip 3. Embrace the neighborhoods. Chicago is a city of distinct communities, each with its own vibe, shops, and restaurants. Venture beyond downtown to truly experience its character. Fun fact: the Chicago River was famously engineered to flow backwards in 1900 to improve sanitation, a monumental feat of engineering. And just like that, our minutes in Chicago have sadly come to an end. If you enjoyed this extraordinary journey through the incredible Windy City, please do us a huge favor. Share the video with your travel buddies, give us a big thumbs up, ring that notification bell, and of course, subscribe so you absolutely don't miss our next city adventure. Be sure to check out our other Minutes in a City episodes, and we'll catch you in our next destination. See you next time, Chicago!